The physical configuration makes the product most relevant to situations where countertop space and installation conditions are important considerations. A user with a conventional kitchen and sufficient cabinet space may normally compare a countertop unit with a permanently installed dishwasher. A person living in a smaller apartment, temporary accommodation, dormitory, RV, or similar environment may instead be dealing with different constraints. The 5-place setting configuration also establishes a practical distinction from larger household dishwashers. The internal space is organized around a smaller load rather than the volume associated with a full-size appliance. User involvement is another defining characteristic. The integrated tank removes the need for a permanent water connection, but it introduces the separate task of filling the tank before operation. Viewed structurally, the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher sits between two common approaches. The first is hand washing, where the user supplies water, detergent, and physical labor directly for every item. The second is the conventional built-in dishwasher, which generally remains connected to the kitchen's plumbing and operates as a permanent appliance. The Hermitlux takes a different physical approach. It concentrates the dishwasher mechanism into a countertop enclosure and provides an internal water reservoir as one of its operating methods. Its smaller dimensions, 5-liter tank, 5-place setting configuration, multiple washing programs, and optional faucet connection define its basic architecture. The result is not simply a smaller version of a built-in dishwasher. It is a different installation format, with more direct interaction from the user before and after each cycle. For anyone comparing dishwasher formats, those structural differences are more useful to examine than general claims about performance. The instructional documentation referenced in this video is available through the product documentation linked in the description. In a conventional kitchen, a dishwasher is usually part of the room itself. It occupies a fixed space, connects to a water supply, and becomes part of the plumbing system. That arrangement works well when a kitchen is designed around a full-size appliance. A different configuration appears when the available space is limited. Apartments, dormitories, temporary living spaces, boats, and recreational vehicles can have very different kitchen layouts. In these environments, the dishwasher may need to operate as a separate appliance rather than as a permanent installation. The Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher belongs to this smaller category. Instead of being installed beneath a kitchen counter, it is designed to sit on top of one. That difference in physical arrangement determines much of how the appliance is used. The Hermitlux HDW5CW01 is a compact dishwasher measuring approximately 16.85 inches wide, 16.73 inches deep, and 18.23 inches high. Its internal arrangement includes a dish rack and a cutlery holder, with the manufacturer describing the space as suitable for 5-place settings. The appliance has a built-in 5-liter water tank. This allows water to be supplied directly to the machine rather than requiring a permanent connection to a household water line. There is also a second configuration. The supplied water connection can be used with a faucet, allowing the appliance to operate through a direct water connection. The two configurations give the same physical appliance two different installation patterns, one based on manual tank filling and another based on a faucet connection. The control system provides 7 washing programs. These are listed as standard, quick, strong, ECO, fruit, self-clean, and glass. Additional functions include delay, child lock, and drying. Operation begins with physical preparation. The dishwasher needs to be positioned on a stable and level surface. When the internal tank is used, water is poured into the inlet at the top of the appliance until the machine indicates that the tank is full. The manual specifies a 5-liter capacity for this tank. The dishes are then arranged inside the rack. Larger items require attention to the available interior space, while cutlery is placed in its dedicated holder. After loading, the user selects one of the available programs through the touch controls. The washing sequence then takes place inside the closed chamber. Once the cycle is complete, the appliance can use its drying function. The wastewater is handled through the drain hose, which needs to be positioned so that the water can leave the appliance. This creates a workflow that is different from a built-in dishwasher. The user is more directly involved in setup, particularly when using the integrated tank. The appliance therefore functions less like a permanent kitchen installation and more like a self-contained countertop machine.